All right, today we have the iPhone 13 and these camera lens protectors from Cloud Valley. Here's a part number. I'll put a link to them down in the description. I'll open this package, see what we have inside here. All right, so we got a patch installation cleaning kit. Then we have the lens covers here. Open this thing up. It's got a wet wipe, little dab stickers for the just to get any lint and stuff left over. So you got the wet wipe, dry little cloth. Open that wet wipe. Just gonna take this, wipe these lenses up good. I'm gonna wipe around the edges, the little rims of those suckers. And since I still got the wipe, I'm gonna wipe off the rest of my phone for fun. I'm gonna take the dry one, a little cloth wipe, wipe everything down good. Just take a quick look at those lenses, make sure everything looks clean. Now you got the sticker. This is just for any lint you might have missed. I'm just gonna put it on those lenses. I don't know if you can see the speck on the actual phone here, but this is what this does. If that would have been on the lens, it takes that little speck off there. Set that back down. Now, this one actually has a guide to line it up. Honestly, I don't think you need the guide for these. They're circles. They fit right over those circles. It's really hard to get them on wrong, but since the guide's here, I'll use it. Just gonna put it on there. We're gonna press that down. I'm gonna lift that guide off, and there you go. So those are on there. And now the moment of truth. I'm gonna see if these work with my case. This is the case I'm using on this phone right now, Zizo Bolt series. You can check out a quick review of it, link above. So I'm gonna snap that on quick and make sure these don't interfere with anything. As you can see there, everything fits inside the case. Camera works, everything you can see. I've used these or similar ones of these on my iPhone 11. I use these because I carry this thing up on a roof, wear it around my neck on a lanyard, and take a lot of pictures. And I also keep a pry bar in my belt, and the way it sits in my tool belt, the forks stick out, and every now and then this just swings right into it and breaks these lenses. I've never broke these ones, but on my iPhone 11 I have. I started using these lens covers on it, and while the lens covers still break when they get hit with that fork every now and then, I have not broke the actual camera glass underneath the lens when I have these on. So they have been working for me. You know, they're cheap, they protect it. Yes, they do. Hold on, I'm gonna take the case off here. Yes, they do make it look a little bigger, the eye or the lens here, but with the case on, you know, the case is making the whole phone bigger and the thing hides in there. And I would rather have it look a little more awkward than break that glass in there. So thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, ask any questions you have below.